Hi, this is Kyle Parker for Expert Village, and I'm going to show you how to create a main mail merge document in Microsoft Word. What a mail merge document is a document that you create that you're going to send out to a mass list, and it will consist of information that is similar in each copy. Like you say you're sending out a letter to all of your employees in your company, but obviously you're going to address that to each different person with their own name and address at the top. So in order to do something like that, you'll want to have a data list of all your information of the people you're sending it to already created. So I have one here that I've created from inside Microsoft Word, which I'll show you in a little bit. Or you could have created it in Excel, or you can export it from Outlook, or any other various types of programs that will create you a data list in a chart. So first, let's go over here and create a new document. And this document is going to be a letter to our employees. And so we'll go up here to Tools and pull up the Data Merge Manager. And inside here, you'll see a Create form at the top. So we're going to go ahead and just do a form letter. And then over here, we'll pull in our data source. Now, if you'd like to create a new data source, you can simply go to New. And then it comes up with all these pre-selected fields that will pop up. Say you don't really need to do country region if you're only sending to the US. Or maybe you don't need two address fields, or you don't need to know if they're Mr. or Mrs. You just need their names. Or you could add in something new yourself. You could put in their email. Okay, so say you want to add email, and then you can add that to the list. The list can't accept any spaces, so make sure that you take that into account when creating your names. And then once you're done, click OK. It's going to ask you to give your data list a name. So we'll call this temp list. And once that comes up, we'll get this form that we can fill in with all our information. So we could fill that in with all the information. Then once you're done filling in all this info, you can go ahead and click Add New, and then just continue adding as many people or contact information as you have for your list. And when you're done, you'll just click OK. And then that data will automatically be loaded into here as your list that will be a part of your mail merge document. So say you want to put up their address at the top left here, so we'll leave a few spaces there, and then you want to have your letter addressed to each person by their first name. So you can go to first name and then enter a comma and then begin your letter, and then you can come back up here, and then you'll have your address field created for the mailing address for each person. So then you just come over here to the merge fields and drag and drop each of them into the place that you want them. And then, as you'll see, once you've put in those fields that you want to change that are unique each time, you can come over here and preview what it'll look like. So for the John Smith that we created, that's where his data will show up.